In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the green screen from a video here in Canva. Now, Canva makes this extremely easy to do. You can do this on your own videos or with the videos here in Canva. Now, if we click on here and put it on the screen, like so, all we have to do is come up to Edit Video, just here, and then click on Background Remover. Now, this is a Canva Pro feature, and if you'd like to try 30-day free trial of Canva Pro, then there will be a link down in the description below. Now, if we click on here, if we give this a few seconds to do its thing, Canva is going to completely remove the background from this video. So, if we give that a few more seconds, that is now done. And as you can see, we've completely removed the green screen from this video. So now if we come over to Elements, let's go to Recently Used. Let's put something like this on here. Let's in fact make this a little bit bigger, because now that we have the green screen removed from that video, let's move this forward once, we can now use the video however we please. So if we put that like so, then if we go to duration, click on play, we can see what this actually looks like. Just like that. So that's just how easy it is to remove the green screen from any video, and by using Canva. Now, for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.